Hey guys, so welcome back to our back to school videos. Now today's video is going to be how to make a vision board. As you can see, I have my vision board right in my background and I'm going to share how I made my vision board. But before starting, I'm going to talk about what vision board is and how it actually helps you to achieve your goals. So vision board is basically you put your vision, your ideas, your inspiration, your intentions, your goals, everything on a board that is like in a physical form, which you can obviously see, and it's more visual. That's why the name vision board, and I've been wanting to do this for such a long time. So I thought I'm gonna start making my vision board and just go with the flow, and I can obviously change it out whenever I want to, but I think it's a great way in case you're starting out with a new career, you're starting with your college. And the reason why I included it in this video is because I think it's very important to know your goals, your intentions for your college. So I know a lot of you are starting out with your college and you're gonna start a new career and you have a lot of aspirations and you want to achieve a lot of things. So I think when you have something right in front of you and you can actually see it every single day, and this obviously works on laws of attraction. If you haven't read the book Secret, or if you have not really heard about what laws of attraction is, it is like a very scientific law which says that whatever you think or you give your attention to, life gives it back to you. And although I have never really made a vision board for me before, but I do follow laws of attraction very sincerely. I have read a lot of books, a lot of blogs about it, and I do believe that whatever you think or whatever is your attention, that's how you create your whole energy around you, and some way or the other those things happen to you. So I try to make my vision board as much as positive and inspiring as I can, because I really need positivity and that kind of energy around me. And in case you don't know a lot about it, I would say just type laws of attraction on Google. You would see a lot of articles on it. The Secret book is based on law of attraction, and you have a lot of other amazing books. I've even read the book Laws of Attraction, and it just revolves around the same thing, that whatever you think happens, and whatever are your thoughts and your ideas, universe would try to manifest them in real life if you are positive and you're thinking about it all the time. And if you're someone who is always thinking of negative things, and if you're someone who is always worrying about things that have not even happened yet, those things would happen to you. I'm really sorry to say that, but yeah, if you're always negative and if you're always thinking of these bad things that's gonna happen, they will probably gonna happen. So yeah, it's something that I have started to acknowledge. Like, if you think I'm gonna fail, I'm not gonna pass, I'm gonna fail in this exam, for sure I'm failing, and all of those things, you would eventually fail in the exam. I'm so sorry to say that. But if you think that no, I'm gonna pass, I'm gonna make sure I pass this exam, I'm gonna give it to my 100% and everything, you would pass. So I have experienced this in my life as well, and that's why I wanted to make a vision board, so that I want to have a lot of those positive things in my life. I really want to have like a lot of things that are just dreams right now, and I really hope one day I can achieve them. So this vision board is not very specific to some things, it's just some inspiration that I would like to see every single day when I wake up. That's what the vision board is all about. I'm not going to talk a lot about it, because I'm sure you have heard a lot of things about vision board. A lot of people do it, and you can watch gazillion videos on a vision board, but I'm gonna focus more on how you can make your own vision board. Just try to be creative. If you're not very art person like me, this video is gonna help you, because I'm not at all an artistic person. I am a creative person, but I'm not artistic. I don't paint, I don't have a very artsy mind. So yeah, that's why this is a super easy DIY. Make your own vision board. I would say just organize your thoughts before you start making it. Write down a couple of things that you want on your vision board, or a couple of things that you want in your life. So yeah, this was a little intro about the vision board, a little longer intro about the vision board, because I thought it's really important to know why you're making a vision board. Now I'm just gonna share with you how I made my vision board, and yeah. Okay, so to start with my vision board, I went ahead and grabbed some magazines. You really don't have to buy magazines. They can be old. You can ask your friends to give it to you, or just ask some office or some salon to give you some magazines. You don't really have to go ahead and spend money to buy new magazines. And then I just like to cut out pictures from random stuff. So you should have some theme in your mind, like if you want some inspirational things, some food inspiration, some travel inspiration. I was really into flowers during this summertime, so I was just cutting out all the flowery pictures and something like inspirational and all sorts of things. So it really is up to you how creative you want to get. So I just like to browse through different magazines. I even found some like home decor inspiration, which I was really looking for. So you really have to have an eye for all the inspirational and creative things, and you can incorporate them in your vision board. So yeah, I was just randomly cutting out stuff from the magazines, and I think it's really inexpensive. You don't really have to spend any money, and it just looks pretty. And another way that you can do is to browse Trust. It has some amazing outfit inspos, travel inspiration. So this was the printout that I took. I just randomly found some nice travel pictures, some nice quotes that I wanted, or some outfit inspirations, whatever I was feeling the mood for. I just went ahead and printed that out. It's totally optional if you want to. If you're following a theme, then obviously you have to get a printout. But if you're someone who is low on budget and you really don't want to spend money on getting printouts and all, so you can just go ahead and do the magazine or the newspaper thing. But this is something that it's totally up to you, and I'm just cutting out all the pictures that I want. And then I'm just gonna compile all of the pictures together and work on a theme. And once I'm done, I would go ahead and start with my vision board, like the physical cardboard. So this is the board that I got from Walmart. It was really cheap. I think it was for $8 if I'm not wrong. And then I have some push pins for the board, obviously, and I'm just gonna start working on laying out everything. If you don't want to spend money on a cardboard, you can obviously go ahead and buy like a chart paper or something or the other. Just get creative, and it really depends what you are feeling. And then I went ahead and did some calligraphy. I really sucked at calligraphy or art or anything of that sort. So I just wrote like random things that were on my checklist, but I couldn't find pictures. So I have like this YouTube symbol, and then I wrote meditate because I really want to start meditating this time. So yeah, then I'm just trying to follow a layout for my vision board. I'm just trying to set out everything so that everything looks good and it's aesthetically pleasing and all of those things. So I just randomly wrote relax, meditate, research and code, because I am a PhD student, so research, and I am a computational chemist, so I have to do a lot of coding. So this is something that I came up with, and I just laid out everything, and once it was final, I go ahead and start pinning all of the pictures together. Another thing that I like about this board is that you can obviously switch up. So when it's fall time, I would like to have some more fall inspiration and some more nice, cozy pictures. But since this time it was summer, so I go ahead with a lot of bright colors and flowers and all of those things. So it's really, up to you and your mood, and you can always change whatever you want to change this up. So yeah, that's the thing that I like. But if you're going with the chart paper, you have to paste it. So if you want to change something, you have to buy a new chart paper and go ahead with everything. So this was my vision board. And then since I'm not allowed to drill anything in my wall, I just went ahead with double-sided tape and just placed it right in front of my bed so that I can see it every single time I am entering my room, or I'm sleeping, or I'm just lazing around. I can see my vision board right in front of me, and it would really motivate me to work. So yeah, this was my vision board. Yeah guys, this was all about it. I really hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know what you think about this vision board idea, if you have ever made a vision board in your life. And yeah guys, this is all about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.